Hey there! Welcome to a journey that could change your professional life forever. Are you ready to become a data analysis wizard? Imagine transforming raw data into powerful insights that drive decisions. Click the link below to get your special discount on our lifetime subscription to the Excel Data Analyst Certification School. This is your chance to invest in a future where data is your superpower. Picture this. You're at work, staring at a mountain of data in Excel. The clock is ticking and the pressure is on. Your boss needs insights ASAP, but you're feeling like you're back in the Stone Age with your outdated skills. Sounds familiar? Well, not anymore. With our course, you'll leap into the future. Introducing the Excel Data Analyst Certification School's lifetime subscription, a one-time investment for a lifetime of learning. That's right, folks. You'll learn once and thrive for life. Imagine the confidence you'll gain, knowing you're always up to date with the latest Excel skills. Imagine never having to worry about paying for another course or getting left behind because of new Excel updates. You'll always be ahead of the curve. Let me break it down for you. This isn't just a course, it's a comprehensive learning experience designed to make you an Excel expert. Our lifetime subscription offers unbeatable value. For a single payment, you get access to everything. You get continuous access to all our courses, future updates, and new content. It's a treasure trove of knowledge at your fingertips. It's like having a personal Excel guru in your pocket, 24/7. But wait, there's more. Our support team is always ready to help you. Our courses are designed for real-world application. You'll tackle real problems and find real solutions. You'll work on practical projects that you can add to your portfolio. These projects will showcase your skills to potential employers. So whether you're in finance, marketing, or any other field, you'll have the skills to shine. And the best part? These skills are transferable across industries. You'll be joining a vibrant community of like-minded professionals. This network is invaluable for your career growth. Connect, collaborate, and learn from each other. Share insights, tips, and success stories. Networking has never been this fun or this productive. Still not convinced? Let's dive into the convenience factor. Let's talk about the convenience. Our courses are designed to fit into your busy life. Our self-paced courses let you learn on your schedule. No more rushing to meet deadlines or missing out on important content. Have a busy week at work? No problem. You can pause and resume your learning whenever you need to. Pick up right where you left off, anytime, anywhere. Your progress is always saved. And did I mention the special discount? This is a limited time offer you don't want to miss. That's right. Click the link in the description below to grab your limited time offer. Secure your future today. So why settle for outdated skills and one-time courses? You deserve better. Future-proof your career with our lifetime subscription. It's an investment in yourself. Keep your Excel skills sharp, stay ahead of industry trends, and become the go-to data analyst in your office. Your colleagues will look up to you. Join the Excel Data Analyst Certification School today. This is your moment. Click the link below to get started on your journey to data analysis mastery. Don't wait, the future is now. Don't miss out, this offer won't last forever. Remember, opportunities like this are rare. Learn once, thrive for life. See you in class. Click the link now and take the first step towards a brighter future.